Before I tell you anything, I want you to think about this. There are people in the same city as you, same internet, same 24 hours, but one of them is slowly getting richer every year and the other still stuck. Now, here's the uncomfortable question. What if the difference is not luck, but a few daily decisions you're ignoring? And today, I'm going to show you a simple daily system that quietly pulls people out of poverty. But there's a twist. Most people who hear this still don't follow it. Stay till the end, because the last part is where most people fail, and that's exactly why they stay broke. Part 1, the hidden truth. Let me tell you a quick story. 2 friends, same college, same degree, both started jobs at $25,000 a month. After 3 years, one is still struggling, living paycheck to paycheck. The other has savings, side income, and peace of mind. Same salary, same city. So what changed? Not talent, not family background, daily habits. See, poverty is not always about income. It's about patterns. And once you understand this, everything changes. Part 2, the money leak nobody notices. Let's start with something simple. Tracking money. Sounds boring, right? That's why people skip it. There was a guy working in a small grocery store. He earned just enough to survive. One day, he started writing down every expense. And guess what he found? Daily snacks, random online orders, small useless spends, $4,000 a month wasted. That's almost 2 months of savings in a year gone. He didn't become rich overnight, but he stopped bleeding money, and that's where it starts. Mini suspense trigger. But here's the thing. Even after fixing this, most people still don't escape poverty. Why? Because saving alone is not enough. Part 3, the skill that changes everything. Let me tell you about someone else. A normal guy, no special background, worked at a phone repair shop. Every night, instead of watching random videos, he spent 1 hour learning something useful. At first, it was confusing, slow, frustrating, but he didn't stop. After 6 months, he started helping local Dukandar shop owners grow online. After 1 year, he was earning more than his job. Same person, same city, same resources. Only difference? What he did daily. Suspense build, reality check. Now listen carefully. This is where most people quit. Not because it's hard, but because results don't come fast. And that's exactly why most people stay stuck. Part 4, income versus saving. Let's be real. Saving $2,000, $5,000 is good, but it won't change your life. Increasing income, well, there was a college student who started editing videos on his phone. No fancy setup, no big investment. At first, he earned $200 per video. People ignored him. Low pay, slow growth, but he kept going. Today, $50,000 plus per month. Part 5, the time trap. Now, I'm going to ask you something honestly. How many hours go into scrolling? 1 hour? 2 hours? That time feels small, but over a year, that's 700 plus hours. Imagine putting even half of that into a skill. That's the difference between staying stuck and moving forward. Part 6, the missing piece, big suspense reveal. Now here's the part I told you to wait for. This is where everything connects. You can track money, learn skills, try to earn more, but if you don't have this one thing, nothing will last. That thing is discipline, not motivation, because motivation fades. But discipline, that's what makes you show up, even when you don't feel like it. And that's the real difference between people who escape poverty and those who don't. So let's make it simple. If you do this daily, track your money, learn a valuable skill, do something to increase income, control your time, stay consistent, it becomes very hard to stay poor, not instantly, but slowly, silently, your life starts changing. And one day you'll look back and realize you didn't get lucky. You got disciplined. end line strong impact. Most people are waiting for a big opportunity, but the truth is, your daily routine is your opportunity.